Let's provide a solution to this problem. Now we are given square root of 2 minus x equals to 5 exponent x minus root 2. Solution. Now we have root 2 minus x equals to 5 raised to x minus root 2. Now let's be very careful here. Now let's represent this one by a variable, or you can go ahead and represent this one by a variable, whichever will get the same thing. So I prefer this one. So let t be root 2 minus x. So if t is root 2 minus x, it implies that x is the same as root 2 minus t. Okay, so let's do substitution here. So this side is t, and we have 5. So x minus root 2. X is what? So x will be root 2 minus t minus root 2. Okay, so this side will cancel this side. So I will have t equals to 5 to the power minus t. Okay, so t equal 5 to the power minus t, the same as 1 over 5 to the power t. So we can make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. That will be 1 equals to t times 5 to the power t. As simple as that. So t times 5 to the power t. Now, when we have e raised to, I don't know, c, the answer is c. Why are we using this? We are using this because we want to take the Lambert W function. When you have W function of k, e raised to k, the answer is k. So we are going to support this 5. So we have 1 equals to t. So we have e raised to ln of 5 to the power t. Okay, so that will be 1 equals to t. So this side is a power rule. That will be e t ln of 5. Okay, so from here, let's observe this. This side must be equal to this side. So we have this side, t ln of 5. So what is missing here? Ln of 5. So we are going to balance it by multiplying ln of 5 to both sides of the equation. So have ln of 5 equals to t ln of 5 e raised to t ln of 5. So look at it very well. This side and this side, they are equal, and therefore we are free to go. So we are going to take Lambert W function. Now before we do so, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so and hit on the notification bell for updates. Alright, thanks for understanding. Okay, so the next step is to take W function, which size equals W function t ln of 5 e ln of 5. Okay, So this side, the answer is t ln of 5. And this side will be w function of ln of 5. Now let's divide both sides by ln of 5 since we are for t ln of 5. Okay, so t is w function of ln of 5 on ln of 5. Now let's recall, you said t equals to root 2 minus x. So t equals to root 2 minus x, okay, equals to w function of ln of 5 on ln of 5. So how do we solve for x? So we can send x here and bring this one in. That will be x equals to 2 minus ln of 5, w function of that, ln of 5. As simple as that. So this is the final answer. Okay, so that is that. Thanks for watching.